Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm Jorgeevdejesus, your Katy Texas Realtor, and in this video I want to introduce you to the beautiful community of Winward. Winward is a small one builder community in the heart of Katy, Texas. It sits on the northmost part of the 77493 zip code. It's surrounded by nothing but acreage and ranches for now. There are future plans for other communities to be built around that area. However, Winward by Lennar is one of the first in that area. When it comes to amenities, Winward is going to be limited on the amount of amenities and the types of amenities that it's going to offer. For the most part, you're going to have pocket parks and small recreation areas in each section of the community. It does not, as far as we know for now, offer anything central to the community by way of a community pool, recreation center, or private event center. So each section is going to have its small amenities. So on the screen, I'm going to put up the schools that this community is currently zoned to. However, two things. Number one, that could be changing because of the growth in that sector of Katy. Schools are being built and those assignments can change in the blink of an eye. And number two, I'm also going to put up an extensive list of both private and free charter schools that are usually, they pick you by like a lottery system. And those are other alternatives to consider if the schools that the communities are zoned to are not to your liking. So when it comes to the tax rate, right now, because it is a newer community, the tax rates for Winward are anywhere between 3.3 and 3.56%. It depends on the section, depends on what year it was built. So those are pretty average, pretty consistent with most of the new construction communities in the Katy area and the Houston area in general. The older communities, if you're looking for something with lower tax rate, those are going to be under 3%. These tax rates eventually do go down some because part of that tax rate that you're paying, typically attached to it is a bond or kind of a loan that the community takes to get the infrastructure in place and things like that. So those things, as they get paid off, they start to reduce. What could change and could go up or down are HOA dues. As of right now, you have a $750 annual HOA due, and that's largely to give maintenance to common areas and the amenities that are in the community. I'm also going to display some of the available floor plans because this community is still building and they have a set collection. For the most part, you have 5 to 7 different floor plans to choose from, and the price ranges are going to be anywhere from $290 all the way up to the high 300s. That could change as demand shifts. It could be lower, it could be higher. Also, keep in mind whenever you're buying a construction community, that week that you go shopping, they could be having a sales event, especially during a buyer's market. So yeah, these prices are subject to change. However, the high 300s to low 200s, that's typically the price range that we've seen for Winward. That's all the information I have for Winward right now. I think it's a great community for a lot of starter homes. I think if it's your first time buying a home and you don't need a whole lot of space, I think it's a great home. Even if it's your second or third home, the homes are not huge. You have 45, 50, and I believe 55 foot lots, but they're still trying to get in as many homes as possible in the community. So I think it's a great starter investment. I also think that take into consideration the location. If you need to be close to a major freeway or you need to be close to the schools and things like that, as of right now, this is not the place. That could change over time because it's so isolated. However, for the price, if the location works for you, I think it's a great investment for now. As things start to go up in value and more communities start to come into the area, I think it's my opinion, because I've seen it with other communities, that if you get in now, you're getting in at the lowest price that you're going to get in that area of Katy. So remember, if you are interested in any of these Katy area communities, don't go it alone. I am both a listing and buyer's agent in the Katy area. I am certified to help you negotiate the best price possible for any new construction home or resale home available in the Katy, Texas area. Here's my information. Please, if you have any questions at all about Katy, Texas, I'm Mr. Katy Texas Real Estate.